Hello everybody, I'm working on a 2003 Bombardier Outlander 400. I have a charging system problem. Wanted to do a short little video to show you how to diagnose these things. I found the stator wires coming out of the engine and they're yellow on Bombardier. There's 3 yellow wires. This is the plug that actually plugs in to the rectifier regulator. Got my ohm meter set on low ohms. And it doesn't matter which lead goes where, but you can start on the outside and go to the middle, and you should have a very low ohms readings here. Except I got it set on continuity. I put the meter where it's supposed to be. You just check back and forth between them. See, it's 0.001, that's about 1 ohm. I go back over to this side, same thing. Move this lead back to the middle, same thing. Swap this one over here, same thing. It's all 1 ohms between all of them, back and forth. The next test you want to do is the continuity test. Just a simple continuity test. I've got a ground wire right here on the back of these 3 wires. I'm going to go to each yellow wire here, and there should be no continuity to ground whatsoever between these 3 yellow wires and ground. On the back of this plug there's a red wire and a black wire. This red wire eventually works its way from the battery up to here. I want to make sure I have voltage there. I'm going to set my meter on 30 volts DC, and I'm going to make sure that I have voltage here at 12.95 volts. If you don't have voltage here, there's usually a fuse in the system. This one happens to have a 30 amp fuse. You want to check all your wires from here back to your battery, make sure all your connections are good. Next thing I'm going to do is a dynamic test, and I'm going to put my meter on AC, and I'm actually going to check the voltage coming out of each one of these yellow wires here. I'm going to start the engine up right now. Put my black lead in the ground here. Go to each yellow wire. A little over 9 volts on that one. 9 volts again on this one. And there's another 9 volts on that one. That's how you check your stator assembly. On this particular model, when I got it here, it had a blown 30 amp fuse. I put another fuse in it, plugged the rectifier regulator back in, and it blew the fuse right away. So got a regulator on the way for it. I hope this helps someone. Have a good day and God bless.